I will show you how to easily create a note page design using Adobe Illustrator. First, open Illustrator and create a new artboard. Instead of copying one artboard and spending a lot of time, we can easily create 20 artboards with just one click. Next, use the rectangle tool to create the page size. Now, use the line tool to create the writing lines for the note page. Using the blend tool, we create 25 lines instantly. At the top, use the text tool to add spaces for date and note. Now align all the lines and text properly. This way, you can easily create a beautiful note template according to your needs. Now with one click, we will place this note template on 20 artboards. Select the design in the middle of the artboard and copy it. Go to the Edit menu and click on Paste on All Artboards to apply the design perfectly to all artboards. Now, we will change the color of the note and date. Select the date, then go to the Select menu and click on Same, Fill Color. This will select all the black fill colors together. Now, change the color as needed. Follow for more design tips like this.